you asshole, my shit! You wrecked my shit! God damn it, my spine! Ah, man, thanks for that.
They caught the baby. They caught the baby. They caught the baby. Now I got a cousin by the name of Barney. Better known to y'all as Master Cool V. He cut, scratch, transforms with finesse. And all that mess. Remember when he first started to rock and try to get this job at a record shop. He was in it to win it.
Look out! You hit me, asshole!
He don't want it. Damn, it feels good to see people up on it. 'Cause I remember one, first it wasn't. Now I guess what they call a cousin. Baby. They call the baby. They call the baby. They call the baby.
Time for
You want a beat in his wheel?
Star stays for power like I said before. I'm like the rock is good, so the red roger more. I slide up to a glass and see like this. Tapping in the head with my mic like this. I be the villain that you reach to the world. Nicest, then you get clean. Cause I'm a good real steam. So don't you try to flex and try to look all mean. Hey yo, check it, that's good, that's it. Cause all you phony ass guys, I'ma bust your shit. You know I'm there, Alicia. Living like a mad dog, walking through the street to step off. Unless you wanna get torn up, you're not going out for a top, fucked up.
all these West Coast fools say they got skills to pay the bills. Yeah.
I'm just a brother, so what's up, sis? Cause it's the pretty young ladies that make me talk like this. Yes, I'm the godfather. They say that I'm an MC, some say that I'm a poet. I changed my style, people just didn't know it yet. I had to tell them, I might tell them, you mess with me and both of your eyes, I spell them. Well, like I'm a phone, I'm about to take charge. I've got a space shot, make a new car in my garage. All the ladies wanna cruise me, they don't move me. See my bankroll, they wanna try to use me, but I'm no fool. Never losing my for me to my friend. I make the young ladies drew. I'm not bragging, telling you what I'm about. Young ladies, American, in the city, come get this.
Why are you stopping?
I'm the godfather. Come get this, your house or mine, night or day will be fine. So let's get with it so that I can hit it in an hour or two. Me and you can just quit it. I'm the Godfather. I'm the Godfather.
What are you doing?
What are all these people talking about inversion therapy? Talking about face your fears. I got some therapy for you.
Idiot! Get out of my way, you lowlife!
Word to your mother. Cock-a-doodle-doo to you. You tune into Reverend Forthright MC. It's time for some church up in this piece. We praise old school hip hop and our alien.
Die car is I, man.
Up to the Forthright MC. Every station will play Rob Bass and DJ Easy Rock. Classic hip hop forever.
The Hendersons are getting a new fence.
Ah, who cares? They're swingers.
I want a new fence.
Parents were killed.
I want a new fence. That's it. We're never having sex again. Need a home loan fast? At the American Bank of Los Santos, we'll help you get the debt you need to make life easier. We'll show you how to look richer and be poorer. Your home is your equity. What exactly are you saving it for? You need to impress people fast, not in 20 years. It's only a risk if you get into money troubles or the economy changes, which doesn't seem likely. We know living in the suburbs is a constant competition, where you're defined by your lawn and your siding. Call American Bank of Los Santos when you need to add a rec room addition with a jungle swing or a jacuzzi for 8. Now that the kids have moved out and have drug problems of their own, maybe it's time to install a luxury marble wet bar so you can get drunk in private. American Bank of Los Santos. Dreams take money. Why worry about tomorrow if you look inadequate today?
It's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you without a strong rhyme to step to. How many weeks?
Some of you think you know the origins of hip hop hundreds of years ago. But I'm gonna tell you the real. This one going after all the ladies at the Starfish Casino, waiting for Forthright MC to come flow. You know? Word up.
It's a four-letter word when it's hard to control.
cause almost anyone can relate to. Cause out of hand, I'ma give them handles. Light them up, blow them out like candles. Or should I just let it out? To give them my hands so they can see how I feel. I'm not running, cause I might know everybody else. Like me, I'm thinking it's like I said.
What you been drinking? Oh, you asshole, my shit!
Boss Ryan MC bringing the music right to your head. Come on, y'all.
Look where you going! You hit me, asshole! I need that beer. You got a problem, dude? You drive like my ex-wife! You with me? Hey, go chase some motherfucker!
Watch it.
Bitches!
Bring it on!